Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a web application completely for free. Have you heard about Hugging Face? I will tell you more after the introduction. So welcome back. How to deploy and host a web application for free using Hugging Face. Hugging Face is an AI-oriented community and on the platform you can create spaces to share your web applications. You can also upload machine learning and deep learning models and even datasets. Hugging Face, the main mission of Hugging Face is giving access and open access to AI so you can create applications, you can showcase your machine learning models, you can fine-tune models, and then create demos and web application to showcase your results. We are going to use Hugging Face to host a very simple Python web application. How to do that? Very simple. You need to create a space, you need to upload your files, and then you're ready to go. So let me show more. This is the main Hugging Face page. You need to create an account, and this is basically what you will see. These are you can find spaces created by user. For example, I created a dataset, I created a model, I fine-tuned the model. So to create space, you need to go here and create new space. Then you need to name your space and to select with which technology you created the actual web application. For this example, I'm gonna use the application that I created in another video. That was an application that allows the user to create a watching list. So this is the application. Okay, so this is the modified theme. The application will be uploading will have a more simple dark theme, but basically you can select movies from a list and you can create a 4-movie watching list. You have also here the dataset that I use for the application. Refer to that video if you want to understand how to create a web application with Streamlit, a very code-oriented tutorial. So let's name this application Watchlist. Okay. Let's select Streamlit and select the free tier. So we are not going to, we don't need powerful resources to run this simple application. And this is the only one free option. We will say that this application is public so everyone can access this application, and we can select also the license, or we can even leave it blank. So we just created the space, and as you can see here, there is an error message, a warning, no application file. Yes, of course, because we don't have an application file. We can go here under files and version, and from here we can upload the files we need for our application. So in this case, I'm going to upload the Streamlit application, the code, and in a folder that is data, the dataset that I need to get the list of movies, so all the titles. Let's move on with add file, upload file, and going to select the application file, it is this one, upload. We can add, of course, a comment, this kind of stuff. We can comment changes. Then we need to upload another file, but before doing that, we need to create the folder, and to create the folder we need to create a new file, create the folder data. Okay, /data /test.txt. Okay, so we have the folder data, and then we can upload the file. And wait for the upload. Okay, all right. So now we can build the application app.py, and we commit changes. At this point, you will see here a changement of status from no application file to building. We should wait a few seconds for the server to build our Python application, and at the end we will see running. So now our application is running, and we can test our application by clicking on app. And as you can see, this is the application, the complete application that is obviously functioning. It's a very simple way to deploy your Python web application. This application is running and is accessible from everywhere, from any device. Hope this can be helpful to you. Happy deployment of your Python application. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!